Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude? Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude? Dude, where's my car?
Dude, where's my Defender? That's a question I get often asked because my Defender has disappeared from my channel.
Okay, look, you're right. I know what we need to do. We need to get back into the state of mind that we were in last night. That way, we can retrace our steps. Yeah, sense memory, simulated perception, altered consciousness memory retrieval. Discovery Channel.
I was on a trip from Germany to Bordeaux, along the coast of Spain, and along the coast of Portugal. I ended up blowing up my turbo in the Algarve. The company in the Algarve quoted me 13,000 euros to replace the motor. So I called my motorcycle builder, Nuno, who put me in contact with Francisco, who put me in contact with another Nuno, and in no time my car was on the way to Lisbon, to new Nuno's shop, which is a 4x4 shop. And he started doing forensic analysis of the motor, replaced the turbo with this upgraded turbo, and saved me a bunch of money.
Olha aí, a trabalhar. Está a fazer barulho que não tem o escape ainda ligado, ok? Que ainda não arranjou os pernos. Está a trabalhar? Abraço.
Nuno also uncovered a few things that needed replaced, like this part. He went ahead and tested it, and it tested okay, but he said it's better to replace it. So we went ahead and replaced other things that were just worn out parts after thousands of kilometers. And because of the upgrades, we also decided to straight pipe the Defender and remove the old rusted exhaust and replace it with a stainless steel straight pipe exhaust. We'll make it sound better and also better for the new turbo and intercooler with more airflow. These are some of the parts we used for the straight pipe replacement, and stainless steel, which is better for a salt water environment, which as a surfer I'm in most of the time. Due to the last shop's recommendation to replace the motor, I had Nuno do a full forensics on the top half of the motor. He checked all the rockers, springs, valves,
Isto é onde trabalha o injetor.
seals,
Olha a diferença dos outros mais limpinhos.
And he saw nothing that would require the replacement of the motor or even a rebuild of the existing motor. But as a precautionary, I asked him to go ahead and replace all the valve sealers, take out the valves, make sure everything was good to go, and replace everything he can on the top half of the motor to make sure that if anything does go on the motor, it's not going to be something we overlooked.
Mas nada de grave, estão todas lisinhas.
Without actually pulling the motor out.
Todas lisinhas, mas esta é que tem ali um toquinho. Ok. Vamos tentar fazer o melhor. Um abraço. Serial, mas com boa atividade. Tipo relógio.
Prior to replacing the seals, there was smoke coming out of the oil filler cap that you see here. After Nuno's great job, no more smoke is coming out from the cap. There's no oil pressure, sensor lights, or issues whatsoever. With the upgraded turbo, we needed to upgrade to silicone hoses and also a bigger intercooler. So this is the silicone hoses we went with. They're the high-end type. Here's the upgraded intercooler that we went with. In addition to that, we're going to go ahead and replace the airbox with this Ollie Sport airbox, which will get 38 horsepower just for doing that. Went ahead and upgraded suspension with a 2-inch lift kit. Then we put some LED interior lights to improve lighting while we're overlanding and car camping. And I wanted to get the heavy spare tire off the back door, so we put this spare tire carrier. Upgraded the interior to a double DIN CarPlay digital stereo with GPS. And I had to have a shower, so we put this water tank in so we could have hot showers on the road. Went ahead and added this back awning to make it easier to car camp, so we'd have some rain cover. And we put some new rims and 33-inch tires. And that should be about good.